Not that I'm aware of. There's a much longer deck that's related to this, and we've added stuff like this to it that all workshops out, that we often do, that's based on empathy mapping. But like, they will not tell you how to build that video. They will kind of give you guidance that like stories like this work better. And back to the point Carlos made before about Dollar Shave Club. So that video, when it launched, also had a whole bunch of ad dollars behind it. And if you Google enough, you can find them talking about that. But also, that video was built. Do you see the crescendo right there in the beginning? That's your 5-second skip button. Mm-hmm. Fundamentally, that's what they're talking about here, is this curve is the normal curve that you see when you run YouTube advertisements. People stick around until they're forced to leave. A whole bunch of them leave regardless of what you're saying. Some stick around until 12 to 15 seconds, and then everybody drops off after that. So like, what are you doing? You're matching everybody's native behavior in doing so. And if you go watch the first 5 seconds of Dollar Shave Club, a bunch of weird stuff happens in the background right before you get to 5 seconds. Why? Because all of us want to know what's going to happen next. And if I can just get over that hurdle, I can keep you around for 12 to 15. Mm-hmm. Same thing's true for the Old Spice video. Yeah. You know, the like shirtless dude on the horse. Yeah. So it starts with a like super cropped view of just his face, and then it zooms out to him shirtless, and then it zooms out a little bit more to him sideways on the horse, right at 5 seconds.
And that's just the visual. Like there's audio,
yep,
what the music track. Like I've done. Not this way, but I had to do a stop animation piece for Christmas time, and it was going to be played on TV, and they picked 5 o'clock, and it's like, oh, that's whenever used car sales and all this stuff, and it's just so loud. So I knew that, and I said, well, I want to do mine a little bit more classic Christmas, you know, very subtle.